Hey folks, today we are taking a quick look up on top of this roof to see why it's so important to clean your roof and your gutters. Now, gutter covers are great, but gutter covers don't take care of this situation. See, these leaves sit in this valley and they dam up, and before long they'll stay wet, and they will cause damage to your shingles or your metal roof or whatever you have for a roofing cover. Now, this here has only been about maybe a month, and we're going to just take a look of. You can see the top of these leaves look dry, but right underneath they're wet. Your roof is not meant to be wet all the time, so don't wait on this. Make sure you clean your gutters, your roofs, your downspouts, and your underground drainage system. It's really, really important to keep that water flowing and away from your house. So give us a call.